Appleby Westward is a SPAR regional distribution centre for the southwest of England. We currently service 290 stores in our region. We operate from 2 warehouses, here at Saltash for our ambient products and the other in Cullompton and Devon for our multi-temperature products. At both depots, the assembly, goods receiving and replenishment operations are all operated by BCP's Accord voice picking solution. The main reason for introducing voice was to improve picking accuracy, customer service and to also reduce the associated costs related to delivery errors. We estimated on the old labelling system that picking errors were costing the company around £2,000 a week in lost sales. We were also annually spending around £10,000 on picking labels, which are now no longer required. Appleby Westward were initially looking at 2 possible solutions to improve their picking process. First being the voice picking solution and secondly being the wearable scanner solution. After further investigation and a consequent visit to CJ Lang in Dundee, the benefits of voice far outweigh the wearable scanner solution. We decided to implement Accord voice picking at our Saltash depot, the larger of the 2 depots, where we currently run 2 shifts over 6.5 days a week. We handle around 5,000 SKUs and assemble and deliver around 115,000 packs a week. We opted for a gradual phased introduction of voice. This enabled us to identify any problems quickly and resolve them. It also protected our service to our customers. Phase 1 was to introduce it to our bulk store warehouse, Phase 2 to our main warehouse, and finally into our wines and spirits department where the assembly is a little bit more complex. We found this introduction very successful and full conversion to voice was made over a 6-month period. Since we moved to Accord voice, picking accuracy has improved by 99%. We simply don't experience picking errors. Voice has removed the element of human error. This alone represents a saving of £2,000 a week in additional sales. Customers are benefiting from greater accuracy. They've now got the right products in the right place at the right time. Picking rate has improved by 25%. We're now seeing the pick rate rise from 120 packs an hour to around 150 packs an hour. The initial voice training takes only a couple of hours and after 2 to 3 days an assembler is up and running and assembling on his own, compared to on the old labelling system where training would take up to 2 weeks. At first the operations team were a little bit apprehensive about using the new technology. However, after a day or so they soon become familiar and confident in using the new equipment. They soon realised that voice made their jobs quicker and easier. Even those who had worked here for many years found the new technology easy to use and they certainly wouldn't want to go back to the old labelling system. The improvements that BCP's Accord voice solution has brought the company has certainly exceeded all of our expectations. Picking accuracy is superb, training new starters has become a much easier and quicker process. Assemblers now have both hands free so they can handle products much easier and safer. Due to the success here at Saltash, the next obvious step was to introduce voice into our multi-temperature operation in Cullompton, and I'm pleased to say that they are seeing the same benefits there as we are here at Saltash.